Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like celebrities?
Yes, I do because they have the ability to reach a large audience and draw attention to a worthy cause.
Question number 2. Who is your favorite celebrity?
Salman Khan is my favorite celebrity because he is hilarious and has a great sense of humor. He's also a fantastic actor who has appeared in some of my favorite films. He is also very down to earth and appears to be a genuine nice guy.
Question number 3. What do you appreciate the most about him?
I appreciate that celebrities are often able to bring attention to important causes, which can help to raise awareness for these causes and encourage people to take action. Additionally, I appreciate that celebrities often use their platforms to promote positive messages and values.
Question number 4. Do you like any foreign celebrity?
Yes, I admire several foreign celebrities. BTS, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Lionel Messi are a few of my favorites. I admire their work and the positive messages they frequently spread.
Question number 5. Have you ever met a celebrity in person?
Yes, I have met a famous person in real life. At an event, I got to meet one of my favorite singers and take a picture with her. It was a very exciting thing to do.
Question number 6. Do you think we should protect famous people's privacy?
Yes, I think we should protect the privacy of famous people. They are people just like the rest of us, and their private lives should be left alone. We should respect their right to privacy and stay away from their limits.
Question number 7. How do celebrities influence their fans in India?
In India, celebrities often use their platforms to get their fan groups to do what they want. They can encourage self-love, respect for differences, and social justice by sharing positive messages and personal stories. They can also use their popularity to bring attention to important causes and make more people aware of those causes.
Question number 8. Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
As for myself, I have no desire to become renowned in the near future. Because of the burden that comes with being in the public eye, I prefer to focus on my own life. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.